This is again where you will put in your date and time of the service. So we're putting in June 7th, 9 a.m. Set date and time. Once again, naming is important. You're going to want to put the time of your service and what your service is. And again, we have an example of a service time and naming convention for you. You can name it whatever you want. This could be a classroom at 9 o'clock. So the system is flexible, customizable, so you can leverage it for a long time. After you have named your service, you're going to drop down and choose your venue. We are going to choose Worship Center. And then we're going to set our capacity. In max attendees, this is where you limit your attendance for this service. We're setting it at 50. We're going to add event time. And there you have it. We have our 9 a.m. worship service in the Worship Center, June 7th at 9 a.m. We're going to go ahead and put in a second service here so you understand the event grouping. We're going to do June 7th, 11 a.m., set date and time. Date and time is set. Time and name of service, we're going to follow the same naming conventions that we had before. We're going to choose the same venue, Worship Center. Max attendees 50. Add event time.